Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 67 of the New England farmhouse renovation. So we got 3 vlog posts in a row, and I told you we're going to be trying to post every single day as we're working our way to day number 70, when we're supposed to be in the house and basically take up residency here. And so a lot has to happen in order for that to occur, and the biggest thing is getting the second floor and the bedrooms in. So yesterday we were working on the barn boards, and we got all the barn board floor in, including the closet. We got the cutout that was going to happen, and so we did a flush cutout here to a little pedestal, and then as you can see, we've got a nice little white detail that's going to match the shiplap, and then this is just the darker stain. Now over here where we had the actual step, we did cut in a full 1-inch bull nose there and reinforced it. So since we have an inch on that, we wanted to make sure that when you're stepping on that, that's not going to go anywhere. So taking a quick look at the floor, let's just poke our head into the bedroom here. I can't walk on it yet, but we've got the entire floor in here stained. So it's going to be 12 hours before this is ready to get sealed. And then after it gets 2 coats of seal, it's going to be 3 days before it cures, and we can put anything heavy on there. So it's actually walkable in 2 hours, but it needs to be cured before you can put anything pointy or that's going to basically want to dent the wood. Now this is soft wood, and so you've seen me use the flail before, and we're going to use the flail again up here, and that's going to distress it. And then that way we're not going to have any stress if somebody happens to drop something. So it's just going to look like weathered, distressed wood. Now if you take a quick look at it, this floor as compared to the floor downstairs, you can tell that it's a little bit lighter. And so this is a treatment that Liz is doing, and it's using the same Old Masters pickling white mixed with the Spanish oak. But in this case, we're actually using more of the pickling white than we are of the Spanish oak, and that is just really to lighten the floor. Now up here on the second floor, well, we don't have as tall a ceilings as we have downstairs, and we don't have as many windows either. We have 1 window in the kids' room, and then we've got 2 windows in the master bedroom there, and so there's not too much light. And so doing a lighter floor is really going to help it feel more open than it actually is. And that's where we got to today, and that's huge. We've got to be able to walk on the floor before we can actually move in. And so I'm going to be up first thing tomorrow and just sealing that and getting my 2 coats on, so that then we can continue in working in the master bedroom, which is really the last thing we have to finish up. Of course, we've got doors, we've got framing, but we took the time to do all of the pre-painting on all of the trim and the finish work. So that's just waiting in the barn to get cut and to put in. So that's going to go in really quick when it comes to it. And then the very last thing we're going to do here is we're going to shiplap. We're going to put the shiplap along the front of the stairs, and it's going to be the same white shiplap that's there, and it's just going to match. And now we're going to have this really centerpiece of the house. So we get a lot of gray, but then we have this just really white, I don't know, it's a focal point really in this foyer, and it's going to look really nice and kind of tying the whole thing together. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna make it. It's day number 67, so we got 3 more days. The big thing we're gonna do tomorrow is once the floor is sealed, it dries in 3 hours. Well, then we're gonna get the remaining posts, new posts up, and then the spindles, so that this will all be completed here. We don't have to worry about anybody falling. And then there's going to be a handrail that's just going to kind of wind itself up on the inside rung here. So that's going to be really nice. I'm so excited about the way the handrails have come out, and I appreciate everybody who's commented about how nice they are. This was really a challenge trying to fit in a coated staircase, and by code I mean there's specific codes that you actually have to adhere to when you're building a staircase in this space that we had. So yeah, that's it. It's been running crazy, so forgive me, particularly for the post not going out last night. I know I said I'm posting every day, but I'm gonna send this one out tonight, so you're getting 2 posts in one day, so I hope you're all excited about that. And then tomorrow, well, tomorrow we're gonna see that railing up, we're gonna see the finish on the floor, and then you're really gonna be able to see the difference between this darker weathered wood that we have up here, and then the lighter weathered wood that's gonna be on the second floor. So it's a lot of these little tricks that we're doing to really kind of make the house feel bigger than it is. And well, in the same instance, really tie through the entire theme through the whole house. So it's gonna just feel where it was kind of disjointed before, where you had different level floors, you had different rooms, and it was really compartmentalized into this one semi-open floor plan in an 1880s farmhouse, which is, well, that in and of itself is a little bit of a miracle we were able to get that in here. So check back tomorrow, 3 more days until we've got a move-in day, and yeah, hope you stick around.